Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project hotel website. And this is the static website developed in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the jQuery. Right. So static website because I have not used any type of database for saving the information for rendering the things. Right. So it's a static website. There is no database operations. There is no database connection. I have not used any type of data means saving the data, right? So it's a totally static website developed in pure HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery, right? It's the jQuery. We are using the jQuery for page rendering. Means all of the pages are rendered through the jQuery, right? We have used some of the JavaScript for designing. We have used the CSS for page design, layout design. We have used the HTML, right? So it's a mini project. Normally most of the college demands, okay, you need to develop a project in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. So this project is only for those students who want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, okay, and they want to develop a basic projects, basic HTML design layouts. Then they can learn a lot of things from this project, that how the CSS works, how the HTML works, how the JavaScript and jQuery work, right? So let's start for the pages which I have developed inside this project. So this is the home page of the project, and all of the information coming here is totally static, and it's coming from the home.html, right? So there is nothing dynamic on this. This is about, you can see this is the about page, and it's a content. If you want to change the content, just open the about.html and you can change the content there, and after that you can change the images, you can change the content there, right? This is the about page. This is a services page, right? I have added four of the services, but if you want to add more, just copy and paste the row and just paste it below or up top of the page, and that services will be added, right? These all services are coming directly from the HTML pages, right? If you want to change the content, if you want to change the images, then open the services.html, and after that you can make the changes there, right? This is a gallery and I have added six of images here, but if you want to change, just open the gallery.html. It contains the layout, it contains the images path, right? If you want to change the content and images, you can just change that image path and the content there, right? This is a reservation, and this is a static form. Okay, as I told you earlier, I am not saving the value of this forms anywhere into the database because it's a static website. It's only a static form. It will not contain any type of server-side scripting, right? So this is a reservation form, right? This is a login. Again, it's a static form, right? And it contains email and password. So after entering email and password, nothing will be happen because it's a static form. There is no database connection available here. This is a contact us page. So I have created again a static form for contacting, right? Now, again, I'm not saving the value of this contact information. This is a totally static page, right? So all of the pages which I have showed you is totally static page, and it's coming from the HTML directly, right? If you want to change the content, then open the HTML page and you can change the content, and those content will be rendered here, right? So these all seven pages I have developed inside this project hotel website. And if you want to change the content images, you can directly go from the sorry, HTML pages, right? And just replace the images inside the images folder, right? So this all functionalities all is I have developed, right? Again, the website name is hotel website, and I have developed this project in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. It's a mini project for the students, right? So if you need more pages inside this project, just put it into the comment, and I will add more pages. I will make this project according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.